Hey everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV, giving you a closer look at the E-Track system from Ryder Cargo. So when it comes to securing your dirt bike, your ATV, or your UTV on your flatbed, your enclosed, or your toy hauler, there's a lot of different options out there as far as how you want to secure your machine onto your trailer. But one of our favorite options is this E-Track rail system coming from Ryder Cargo. And the reason that we love it so much is once you have it installed, it almost gives you endless possibilities as far as where you want to have your anchor points and how you want to tie down and secure your bike or your machine. So with this kit, when you pick it up, it's going to come with 4 46-inch rails. But we also have a kit that will come with 8 of the E-Track O-ring anchors. So once you buy that kit, you're going to have the anchors also. We do sell these separately, so if you want to, you can always pick up more of these if you want. So these have a black powder coated finish on them, so it makes them corrosion resistant, and they're actually 2.5 millimeter steel, so they're super durable. Now also, when it comes to install with this, very important to note that it's not going to come with the hardware or the screws that you need. And the reason for that is every trailer is going to be a little bit different, and you're going to be joining into different materials. So you want to make sure that when you buy the screws, that you get the right type of screws. So if you're going to get metal screws or if you're going to get wood screws. But as far as install goes, it's really simple. And once you have it set up the way you want it, what's cool about it, you'll notice that you've got all these slots that are cut out. So because of those slots, and you have these O-ring anchors, which you can move and put them basically anywhere you want to, that's going to give you all the combinations that you're going to want in order to tie down your machines. And to install these and remove them, I'm going to show you how quickly it is to do. So all you're going to do, take your O-ring anchor. There's a little tab here on the back. You're just going to lift up on that. And once you do that, there you go, it drops in just a few seconds. So once you get your machine in here, your bikes, you have your system set up, you can move those around to get your anchor points exactly how you want it. So you can see with this trailer, we've got the 2 rails going all the way down the sides, but if you wanted to, you could also do them on the walls. So with this bike, you can see we've got 2 anchor points, 1 on each side. We've got the handlebar secured. Then we have a 3rd anchor point on the back, which is connected to the foot peg. That does a great job securing the bike. The bike's loaded in here sideways, so we could get a lot more bikes in here if we wanted to. You're also going to notice that the front tire isn't touching the wall. So that's going to help protect the side of the trailer. And the owner of this trailer will actually bring in a UTV at times, secure it, and then actually have a couple dirt bikes loaded behind it. So this is one system that you could run, but now we're going to go to a different trailer and show you another setup that you could do. So here I am, I'm in a different trailer. You can see completely different setup with the E-Track. So on this one, what we've done, we've got the E-Tracks going down the center, but this trailer is a little bit narrower, so the E-Tracks are actually closer together. But then you can see on the wall, we've got the E-Track going all the way down the wall. So you see I've got a bike loaded up behind me, but this trailer is not actually wide enough for the bike to go completely sideways, so it's loaded in at an angle. What's cool about this setup is we're able to get up to 6 bikes pretty easily in this trailer, and when you have multiple bikes loaded up, they're not touching each other. So if we're going to bring a second bike in, this is how we would load it. We'll bring it in, we'll break the front tire so it's actually touching this O-ring anchor that the other bike's secured to, and that'll actually prevent the front wheel from turning. So once we've done that, you can see anchor here on the right side on the floor, that goes to the right side of the handlebar. Then you have an anchor on the left side on the wall that goes to the left side of the handlebar. So like I said earlier, a lot of different combinations you can run with this E-Track system. You can mount them pretty much anywhere you want to, and because those O-ring anchors, you can take them out and move them so easily, it just gives you a ton of possibilities. We've even got a set, or the E-Track, on the very back of this trailer right up against the door, so you can put these really anywhere you want to. So if you're looking for a system that's going to give you the most possibilities possible to tie down your dirt bike, your ATV, or your UTV, then this is the route to take. So thanks for checking out the spotlight on the E-Track rails coming from Ryder Cargo. To pick yours up, it is real simple. Just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember, 2 options. You can get just the rails, or you can get that kit that will come with those O-ring anchors. If you're looking for other combinations or other ways that you can secure your dirt bike, ATV, or UTV on your trailer, we have a top 5 video where I cover some other great tips and ideas. So if you're not quite sure what system you think is going to be best, watch that video. It'll give you some really good suggestions. Ordered over $75, ship free. If you guys like this video, we got a lot more great top 5s, product spotlights, and how-to videos we're always filming. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.